What makes a car a legend? Is it the badge, the performance, the heritage? For over 4 decades, one car has consistently answered that question by being all of the above. I'm talking about the BMW 3 Series, the undisputed benchmark for the compact sports sedan. From the very first E21 model back in 1975 to the tech-packed G20 of today, the 3 Series has been the car that every other manufacturer looks to beat. It's the standard, the gold standard. And today we're going to explore why. Let's start with the heart of the matter, the driving experience. This is where the 3 Series has always shown the brightest. BMW's philosophy of the ultimate driving machine isn't just a marketing slogan. It's baked into the very DNA of this car. The near-perfect 50/50ths weight distribution, the rear-wheel drive layout, and the incredibly responsive steering create a connection between the driver, the car, and the road that's simply intoxicating. Whether you're navigating a tight city street or carving up a winding mountain pass, the 3 Series feels agile, balanced, and alive. It communicates everything to you, making you feel completely in control. It's a car that doesn't just get you from point A to point B. It makes you want to find the longest, twistiest route possible. But the 3 Series isn't just a one-trick pony. Over the years, it has evolved from a pure driver's car into something much more. It's a master of duality. Need a comfortable and quiet daily commuter? The modern 3 Series glides over bumps with a sophistication you'd expect from a much larger luxury car. The cabin is an oasis of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and ergonomic perfection. The iDrive infotainment system is intuitive, the seats are supportive, and there's a tangible sense of quality in every button and switch you touch. It's a place you genuinely enjoy spending time in, whether you're stuck in traffic or cruising on the highway. And let's talk about the engines. BMW's engineers are masters of their craft, and the range of powertrains offered in the 3 Series is a testament to that. From the incredibly efficient and punchy 4-cylinder turbos in models like the 330 to the silky smooth and powerful inline-6 engines that have become a BMW hallmark. There's an option for everyone. These engines aren't just powerful, they're refined and responsive. So, why has the 3 Series remained the benchmark for so long? Because it refuses to compromise. It delivers thrilling performance without sacrificing everyday usability. It offers cutting-edge technology wrapped in a timeless, athletic design. It is a car that appeals to the heart of the enthusiast and the head of the practical buyer. Other cars have come and gone. Many have tried to dethrone it. But the BMW 3 Series continues to set the pace. It's not just a car. It's an icon, a statement, and for many, the perfect embodiment of driving pleasure. It's the benchmark for a reason, and it doesn't look like it's giving up that title anytime soon. Thanks so much for watching. If you're a 3 Series owner or fan, let me know your favorite generation in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on the greatest cars in the world. See you in the next one.